And,
Move!
no, cyan. It's cyan. Cyan. Blue. I'm blue. Stupid.
Okay, what's
You
your
wanna join me?
Oh my gosh.
Green will play.
That can be later on. Come on.
You want blue.
That's so rude of you. You said that.
And affection green. He's a bluish green. I'm cyan, bro. That's cyan.
I think that's teal.
Green. You
What?
want to join me and him in affection? How do you change your name? You want?
I'm gonna go up here.
Cyan, let's go. Let's go and get more people.
Yes, Ion!
Cyan. Why is this always in the fashion? I hate casual.
Okay.
Cyan,
Guys, look, it's the store. Whoa.
You don't need a jet.
Where's that? Oh my gosh! Oh!
Hey, guess what? This
Yeah.
that's you.
Purple, yeah, who wants to join that I can join?
Purple, you want to join me and whatever cyan is ready to go? You want to join me and
So basically,
affection?
uh,
I got this something real quick. Don't look at it. Don't worry.
yeah.
That's your favorite Sophie's home.
So basically, I'm not doing the video, but I'm explaining. In today's video, so basically I'm going to teach you how to record a video on VR. So what you want to do is you want to click this button right here like I did, and once you're done, you want to click it again, and then after you're done clicking it, you want to go to browser, specifically browser, just like this. And you want to go, and that won't appear for you, but when you click on it, it's gonna teleport to you to a slide, and then you want to click YouTube, and then it'll say what you're creating this on. Just click skip. Just click skip to YouTube Studio.
Red.
And then after you do that,
Let me put on
you're
a song real quick.
gonna
Let me
you're
put on
gonna
a
be
song
at
real quick.
the YouTube thing, and then up here it will say upload, but for me it says create.
Dude.
And then it's gonna and right here. It says upload. Now when you're right here, you want to click select file.
I'm a YouTuber.
If it doesn't work,
Why?
click this little X right here, and then
I'm
try
actually
it
a
again.
YouTuber, guys. And guess what?
But if it doesn't work again,
Are you a
you might want
YouTuber?
to get out of the game.
No, but do you want to join me, Pink, and...
So now you're right here, and there's no mini games, kids. And once you're right here, you want to try to upload it once again. If it doesn't work, you might want to click the X right here, load it again, like this. And then you're going to be back here again. If I don't know why it's still working. Oh my gosh. Okay. So right now, I'm going to click this arrow. This is not a part of the process. I'm just trying to... So, I'm not supposed to be here right now. This is my Frederick goes to the doctor. But right here, upload, go to that. because it's gonna look like that for you. Select files. Once it finally works, select the thing you want, and it's gonna have a little stuff that you can customize it with. And after you're done customizing, it will tell you that when it's done or not, and then boom, you have your first ever video. But if you're a new person or you're new to the platform, make sure it's under or 15 minutes long, otherwise you can't upload it. But then once you're doing that, you'll have the customization, and then once you upload it, boom. I hope you found this helpful. Like and subscribe if this helped you. 1 second. Okay, right here. So, like and subscribe, please. If So, have a good night. I hope you get famous. If this makes you famous, shout out me, please.